Pusheen box. Number 2, you guys didn't see my first one because I was a little too excited. But we're going to do this one on camera. So let's get started. These two Pusheen items I actually got in my last box, so that's a vacuum cleaner and that's just like a decoration thing. So this is my spring box. Look. Guys, hear that? I don't know if you guys can, but let's start. If I can find the way to open this. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't want to look at it. I don't want to look at the card. But oh my gosh. What is this? No, I think I know what this is. This better not be what I think it is. I don't want to look at it yet. You guys can't either. This is interesting. I feel like I know what this is. It better not be what I think it is. No. Guys, I know I'm cut off, but oh my god. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm wearing this the rest of the video. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow, okay. Next item. Which is whatever this is. Ooh, so this, I think I know what these are. Guys, it's a bowl. How cute that is. There's only one of those. Next item, I don't know whatever this is. This is the one making the weird noise. This better not be. Oh my god, I don't know what this is. This looks very fragile because it has styrofoam. Oh my gosh, so guys, so it's like, whatever this is, here's Pusheen, and then there's you open this, and there's this thing, I don't know if it's supposed to be there, or it's just thing, but there's this cup, this is really cute, actually, okay, yeah, that's glass, definitely glass. Next, I'm gonna do this, I don't know what this is. Blanket, I guess, or I don't know what this is, but look, it's like a blanket. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, our next thing we're gonna open is whatever this is. I don't know what this is. Might not be able to open, but how cute that is. Is there anything else? Yep, there's a lot more things. Whatever this is. Oh, it's how I feel cards. Look. Oh, it's together. Look. So it's just how I feel. Me. I would put my name here, and then today with the date. I feel happy, excited, anger, silly, meh, lazy, super scared, super lazy, scared, and I get to fill out one. I feel like this because I want to be. Look, how cute. There's a sloth guy. Oh, wow, this is heavy. This is what it makes heaviness. Okay, guys. I'm going to have to make room. There's one more thing in this box. But let me just put all my items here. This is what's really heavy, guys. I don't know what this is. What is this? Is this rice? I feel this is rice. I don't know. Wait, what is this? Is this like I don't know what this is. Is this like a pillow? Like, you guys hear that? Feels crunchy. Last item. Oh, whoa. This is a box. How cute that is. It's wood. Wow, that's so cute. Okay, guys, so I want to go over a few things that I learned over the card. So this I thought was a pillow, but this is actually a heating pad. So it says crazy up to this heating pad and warm yourself up. So I thought this was a pillow, but it's actually a heating bag. Fun fact. This, I didn't know what this was. Like, it had that little thing and we took it out because it was a, brew hot or cold tea with this bottle that comes with a removable stainer. So I don't drink tea because I don't like tea. So, I'm just going to use this as a water bottle because it's still really cute. So I'm not going to use it as like a tea thing because I don't drink tea. This is a, this dish can hold your favorite. What does? This dish can hold an encase stickle and features a cute image of Pusheen. So these are how I feel cards, but I'm going to read what it says. A notepad helps you track daily feelings and goals. The plant doesn't have anything, but it's house plant Pusheen, very fun figure. Cutest thing. This, I thought it was blank, but this is actually add a splash of color to your wall with a winning mini wall. The box is this mental use tray can be used to serve your favorite meals and verified items or used as decoration. Okay. So my favorite thing. I have no idea what my favorite thing is. I love all of it. I don't have a least favorite either. I love everything. Like, this is the one of my second Pusheen box. Just saying, my first Pusheen box was a cooking one. Okay, sometimes I bake. I do not cook. Rarely I cook. If you want to know what I cook mac and cheese and noodles, ramen. So guys, this is actually what I got in the last one. It's a mini vacuum cleaner and just a plush, I guess. It's not a plush, but it's like a figure, I guess. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, hit that like button, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you guys can see every single time I post a new video. And guys, this robe feels like silk. yourself in silky robe whenever you are in need of some relaxation. Yes. Bye. Can't see me, but bye.